August 26th. Spilled boiling water on my hand as I was walking off the porch, trying to boil some eggs. Well, it hurt a lot right when it happened, and all through the first night. And on the second day, did that, and that was such a weird feeling, having like a dough-like, I don't know, stuck all over you feeling. Didn't hurt much that day though. Hurt a lot more the first day. Burn cream. It broke the second night while I was asleep, and then most of it drained. And it was like still little pockets of it here and there. So glad it didn't go to the inside of my palm. Doesn't hurt.